Good morning, candidates. This is regarding Central Bank Scale 3 and 4 recruitment. Central Bank has issued, say, the results, according to which nearly 1,500 candidates or so have been called for this, say, Scale 3, and nearly 800 or so have been called for, say, that Scale 4, whatever it is. So the competition will be very severe, and the process is going to be that they will conduct a preliminary interview initially. From and out of that, they will select others, and they will be conducting group discussions and interview finally. Now, I have proposed to give you guidance for preliminary interview. If you want that preliminary interview, you have to pay to Gpay or PhonePe or say Paytm 90030375557 and send screenshot to WhatsApp number 8072177482. When you do that, I'll be sending you materials which consists of the following: CTDI magazine for the last 1 year. It will contain latest happenings in the, say, Reserve Bank circulars and all that. So you can go through that. Then interview materials followed by, say, static GK, then economy, financial awareness. Then I am also giving you 2022 November, what are the interview questions asked. And the next one is A 2022 Federal Bank interview questions. Here, of course, this may not be up to date, I think so, because, yeah, it has up to 27/4/2023, whatever it is, that is more than sufficient. And okay, so this will contain what is the trend of questions, but that is at a lower level. Say for probationary officers, maybe what you need is at a higher level. Then Adda yearbook important 2022. If you have time, you can go through that. Then bank interview questions. Here, bank interview questions, I have prepared various topics on which questions can be asked, like RBI, CRR, SLR, base rate, lead bank scheme, etc., etc. Then after that, bank promotion interviews questions asked recently. That is also given here. These are all given here. And apart from that, budget key features are given. Then categorization of zones and branches PDF. I think it is it latest. Yeah, this is from Bank of Maharashtra. I'm not sure whether this will apply for Central Bank. Then fixed charges, floating charges, foreign portfolio investment, government schemes for interviews. Then Guidely 2022 interview, then headquarters of international institutions, Indian Bank promotion study material. So this also is a 600 pages material. It contains various topics that, of course, you don't have to read this if you are familiar with your own bank's materials. Here, the first few points you can omit, that is pertaining to bank, you can omit it. Then general emerging trends, general banking, deposit products also you can leave. Then marketing, HRD, HRM, rural banking, MSME, retail assets, corporate credit, foreign exchange, risk management, CBS, inspection and audit, legal aspects, NPA management, IT and digital. So all these things you can go through and prepare. Of course, if you have your own bank material, you can read that. The next one is most common interview questions. This is based on HR questions, like what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, and are you willing to take up posting anywhere in India, like that. Then MSME policy, MCS notes, RBI digital rupee, then of course this one may not be required for you, but it is given, let it be there. Structure and functions of RBI, then suggested interview questions. Here I think I have prepared some suggestions for interview questions. Please go through that. Then tips for success in interviews. 6 tips for success in bank interviews. Another material I have prepared based on the material of another, say, Mr. Jain, who is no more. He has given this material, very nice material. You can go through that. Then I have given lastly Union Bank interview special. Then what is RTI and its benefits? These are the points given. Apart from this, you have to go through everyday current affairs. I am giving you the link for everyday current affairs snippets. You can also read Economic Times or Business Standard or Financial Express or Business Line, any one magazine besides one magazine of your own area. So once you prepare this and you opt for an interview date, and after a few days, whichever date you want, I can conduct a mock interview for you. For your second interview, you will be paying 200 rupees. I understand this preliminary interview will start only from 22nd. So today is 4th. Say you can take one mock interview initially to check up how are you answering questions and all. Then mostly they will permit you to answer in Hindi also. अब हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं और आपको चाहिए तो हम हिंदी में भी इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट करेंगे. हमने आपको बता दिया, ये सब मटेरियल्स आपको दे रहा हूँ. इसका अलावा आपका पास और कुछ मटेरियल होगा तो बैंकिंग के बारे में और सेंट्रल बैंक वेबसाइट का अंदर में हम लोग जाना है. सेंट्रल बैंक वेबसाइट में क्या क्या दिया है वो सबको पढ़ना है और उनको डिपॉजिट फिगर, एडवांस फिगर, उनको एनपीए फिगर, ये सब प्रिपेयर करके हम लोग इंटरव्यू के लिए आना है. सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, centralbankofIndia.com. Let me check up whether it is coming correctly. Maybe it is not coming properly. It is not coming properly.
Important security message.
Yeah.
Your computer has been locked up.
Yeah.
Your IP address was used
Yeah.
without your
Anyhow,
knowledge
thank
or
you
consent
so
to
much.
visit website.